The CPT administration, the Cognitive Performance Test, is a standardized performance-based assessment instrument to track change over time in individuals with Alzheimer's disease. This test is used for a variety of diagnostic groups by occupational therapists in hospital settings, outpatient and community clinics, subacute and long-term care facilities, and in the home. CPT is used to explain and predict the client's capacity to function in various contexts and to guide intervention plans. The assessment yields a cognitive functional profile. The administration of this test is by clients will perform instructions and tasks in a variety of ways depending on their cognitive functional levels. Each task begins with complex contextual verbal and visual cues. After initial directions are given, therapist observes the performance patterns and describes the task's protocol. There are different CPT subtasks, and each tests something different. The first beginning of 7 is the med box. This tests to see how the client does with medications upon following the setup given by the occupational therapist. The next subtask is the shop subtask. This tests the client's apprehension in shopping and using cognitive thinking to problem solve. The next subtask is the wash subtask. This tests the client can see if they can wash their hands correctly and independently. The next subtask is the toast subtask. This is a test food preparation that was given and set up by the OT. The next subtask is the phone subtask. This location-based test to see how the client can complete a step-by-step task utilizing a phone, amongst with other equipment. The next subtask is the dress subtask. This tests how the client gets dressed in a mock scenario and see if the client can do it correctly. The last subtask is the travel subtask. Client will stand at one starting point. Client will follow map to destination and point out structures. The scoring is based on the scores of the various subtasks. Once those criteria have been met, depending on the score criteria, it is added to the total CPT score. For the Allen cognitive level score, divide total score by number of tasks given. That concludes the CPT explanation administration.